get some tomorrow. I'm so sorry. We don't have purple. We don't have red. No, we don't have red. Yellow, we don't have yellow. Blue, we don't have blue either. We don't have any. We don't have any. We don't have any. We don't have any popsicles, Mason. We don't have any.
This is not going like I thought it would be going.
Watch out for the toothpicks and the shot.
Side's back there acting like a nut.
What are you doing? Mason,
And Woods is
why are you putting your shoes on?
Strawberry salad? Did you order one? We got everything. Sir.
What are you doing, buddy?
It's turning into a nightmare.
You're going to go where? Where are you going?
You're right. I'm starting to think this might not have been such a good idea.
Just order up.